Oh my God, I've been dying to do videos for these because I love them so much. It's like classic vintage camper teardrops went badass off-roading. So check this out. Everything is good about it. On the roof, you've got these awesome racks. You can put up a kayak, a couple of kayaks up there, your skis, a small boat, I don't know, maybe a storage even container could go up there. And then you've got this super high clearance that comes up past my knees. It's like 2 feet off the ground, gnarly tires, and this classic design. So let me give you a quick walk around. Got your hitch ready to go here. Propane, your batteries are gonna store down there. This is a diamond plated guard. Stylish. Vent for the heater inside. There's a heater. Storage. You can put your 40-pound bag of dog food in there. My science teacher used to take that back in the 70s for his backwoods exploration. He said the science diet dog food was the best survival food you could ever take. And then you've got this indoor-outdoor shower, and I'll show you what that looks like open on the other one. An electrical hookup for shore power, so you can run your microwave and your AC. Pop your hose in there, fill up 16 gallons of water. This is a solar outlet. You can plug in a Furrion solar panel into that. Cable, and then city water connection, and what that means is just pressurized water. So you can hook up your regular hose water, and that's going to pressurize so you can run more than 6 gallons through. So if you want to take like a 30-gallon shower, you can hook it up in there. 6 gallons of hot water there. That's typical and standard across the board in the industry. Gnarly tires. That would definitely be able to make it through some Colorado snow. And I know people have bought these and take them up skiing, and they love it. Here's the outdoor kitchen. I'm going to go over the details on the other one for you in just a minute. Finishing up on this one, you got your outdoor speakers, a power outlet so you can keep your phone charged if you're hanging out outside around the campfire. Then you've got this awesome door with a nice glass plated window, and then a screen door so you can keep the bugs out at night, sleep with the fresh air and the nice mountain air. What do we have here? This is the cute vintage gray vinyl package. Got 2 windows. They both come with blinds. These have blinds too. And then 2 lights in here. You've got a smoke alarm, your hatch with a fresh air vent fan, speakers, cable, power outlet up there, and your AC unit. That's a thermostat over there in the corner, and that's going to go down here with your heater, which we really needed in the last month. And people actually love these heaters when they go up in the mountains hunting. But even in the summer, you go up to Long Draw Reservoir, you would love having that heater. Right, John and Liz? Okay, and then how about this? They ended up getting married because of a heater catastrophe. Story for another time. Electric inverter, CO2 detector. Okay, I love this knob. This knob is for your speaker setup, indoor, outdoor. I freaking love knobs. I'm from the 70s, and we had practical knobs. We didn't have to think all this other shit. Anyways, here's your other shit. Bluetooth ready, awesome stereo system, ready to go with hookups. All right, let's see. I think that covered everything inside. Got a little safety stuff there. And we're gonna go to the outdoor kitchen now on the other one. So check this out. I wanted to show you this one because I just love these wood tones on this. It's kind of got that pine cabin feeling. These cupboards are neat. They're spring loaded. They're just super lightweight and yet sturdy. And then you've got 2-burner stove, hot and cold running water, and cupboard for your cereal boxes or what have you, power outlet. This fridge runs on propane or electric, and you want to kind of keep an eye on that. Some of these have just electric fridges, and that'll bring your cost down a little bit. The propane is nice to have if you're going off-grid. There's your diamond guard on the back. And then this is like the overhead, gives you some shelter from the elements. So if it is snowing out or raining or sunny, you've got a little bit of shelter here, and it folds right down like so, very easily, and then you're ready to go. And what have we inside? I wanted to show you it with the bed down. So you've got your sofa that converts into a double bed for 2. And then hope you enjoyed your tour today. Outdoor porch life. Thank you. Come down and see us at Colorado Mountain RVs. You can ask for Lulu if you want to. You can also talk to anybody here. We just want to help you get on the road and have fun going where you're going to go. Hope to see you down here. Take care. Bye.